how to redeem tons of points on Chick-fil-A app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can redeem tons of points on Chick-fil-A app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to redeem tons of points on Chick-fil-A app, you have to follow these steps. First, find Chick-fil-A restaurants near you while searching from home or out and about. Then place your order through your phone and pay. Choose your preferred pickup method and let them know when you arrive. After that, you will receive points with every qualifying purchase by scanning your QR code in the Chick-fil-A app or be paying with your Chick-fil-A One digital gift card or placing mobile orders at participating Chick-fil-A restaurants. So, by using your points, you can redeem available rewards of your choice, including free food rewards, birthday rewards, meal donations, and more. So, that's how you can redeem tons of points on Chick-fil-A app. That's all for this video.